So what parts are in a Rotap maintenance kit? Is it all that I need to keep my sieve shaker up and running? Stick around and I'll explain everything that you need to know. Hi, I'm Candace Blaker and I'm the Product Manager of Particle Size Analysis here at WS Tyler. Keeping your Rotap device clean and well lubricated will prolong its lifespan, but various parts are bound to wear and need replacement. To combat this, there's maintenance kits available for both the RX29 and the RX30 that are designed to keep your devices running as intended. As prominent leaders of the particle size analysis industry with over 150 years of experience, WS Tyler is here to help you keep your particle analysis equipment up and running for years to come. So in this video, we'll go over what a Rotap maintenance kit is, how much a Rotap maintenance kit costs, how you can purchase a Rotap maintenance kit, and additional spare parts that you should consider. A Rotap maintenance kit is a package of commonly replaced Rotap parts. There's two types of maintenance kits available: the minor maintenance kit and the major maintenance kit. This minor maintenance kit consists of the most commonly replaced parts: two eccentric discs, a flange bushing, a bearing, a cork, and two flange bearings. The major maintenance kit includes all of the items in the minor maintenance kit, as well as one timing belt, an upper carrying plate, a cam gear, and a timing belt pulley. The minor maintenance kit runs at $145, whereas the major maintenance kit is $675. When deciding to purchase a maintenance kit, it's important to take into consideration the cost savings that presented by minimizing operation downtime when a part needs to be replaced. It is recommended that you have a minor maintenance kit for each Rotap device in your lab. You can purchase both the minor and major Rotap maintenance kits through WS Tyler directly. Simply fill out the form on our Contact Us page, and one of our Rotap experts will be happy to help. Additionally, you can purchase both maintenance kits through one of our many distribution partners. Now, WS Tyler keeps all spare parts on hand, so no matter what maintenance kit you request, you can expect a lead time of 1 to 2 days. With that being said, maintenance kits can be rushed ordered upon request. While the maintenance kits are designed to equip you with the spare parts that are most likely to need to be replaced, there are some additional parts that you may want to keep on hand. These parts include the two lift rods and the lift rod coupling. These parts help adjust the hammer height, but are made of nylon, so they have the potential to wear depending on your usage. Additionally, there is a brass block and a bearing plate located underneath the Rotap that the lower carrying plate moves within. As the lower carrying plate can wear these parts down, having replacements on hand will prevent inconvenient downtime. But these parts don't typically wear as fast as the parts included in the maintenance kits. When it comes to the cost of these additional parts, the lift rods cost about $34 a rod, the coupling is about $28, the block is about $52, and the bearing plate is about $86. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, fill out a Contact Us form so we can answer your specific inquiry. Just click the link in the description. And if you'd like to learn more about what woven wire mesh or our many products, we have a learning center filled with written and video content to make you an expert. Just click the second link and you'll be that expert in no time. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring that bell to keep up with all things WS Tyler. Once again, my name is Candace Blaker, and I'll see you around in the next video. Bye for now.